Is your website just another face in the crowd that's easily forgotten? What if I told you that making your website truly stand out isn't about fancy designs or complicated tech? It's about simple shifts in your content. So stay tuned and I'll show you how. So many businesses, even maybe yours, end up looking and feeling the same. You click from one site to another and they all blend together, and that's a huge problem. If your website doesn't stand out, visitors won't remember you and they won't become customers. It's like being invisible online. If we haven't met before, I'm Brandon Hurst and I set up online systems to help businesses get more customers and increase their profits. Today, we're tackling how to make your website more memorable. Let's talk about the sea of sameness. It happens because many businesses follow the same trends, use the same stock photos, and talk the same corporate way. And guess what? Your website visitors have seen it all before. That pretty blue color that you picked, it's nice, but it won't make them remember you specifically after they've clicked away. And they won't connect with a business that feels just like every other option out there. But here's the good news. You don't need a huge budget or design genius to fix this. The thing is, your content, your words, your pictures, your video is what truly makes you different. And this is where you can show your personality and what makes your business special. So stop trying to look like everyone else. Focus on being authentically you. We're going to dive into how you can do this. So think about this. When was the last time a website's color scheme alone made you choose that business over another? Probably never, right? It's something deeper. Okay, so let's talk about your website text. So often businesses use complicated jargon or really formal language. They think it sounds professional, but it just makes visitors tune out. If your words don't speak directly to your ideal customers and their problems, they won't feel understood. They won't see how you can help them. For example, if you sell really cool gadgets or an expert device, you're helping people solve a problem and improve their life. Now imagine you're having a friendly chat with your best customer. Well, that's how your website should sound. Use simple words. Talk about their needs, their worries, and how you offer a solution in a way that they instantly get. Write like you talk. Use conversational language and ask questions. Show a little bit of empathy. Make it clear that you understand what they're going through. For instance, instead of saying something like, "We leverage solutions to optimize operational efficiency," try something like, "We help you get things done faster and easier." Do you see the difference there? Well, you might be thinking, "I'm not a writer," but don't worry, it's all about being clear, not fancy. One simple system you can use is the friend test. Read your website text out loud. Would you say those exact words to a friend who asked what you do? Well, if not, rewrite it so it sounds natural. Next up, we have images. So many websites are filled with the same generic stock photos. You know, the ones smiling people in boardrooms who actually don't work there? Well, the problem is relying too much on stock photos and they make your business look, well, stock. It looks generic, it doesn't build trust, and it doesn't feel real. People connect with people, not with perfect, impersonal images. But what if you show the real you? Well, by showing real faces behind the business, it can build instant trust. Use real photos of your team, your workplace, or even happy customers. This is going to add a massive trust factor that stock photos can never match. It's not that all stock photos are bad, but use them sparingly. And this leads perfectly to another powerful tool, but you might be surprised how simple it is to use. All right, let's talk video, and I know, some of you probably just cringed, but many small business owners think that video is too complicated or expensive. If you're skipping video, you're missing out on a huge chance to connect. The thing is, people love video. It's engaging, and it's a fantastic way to show your personality and expertise. And the thing is, video doesn't have to be a Hollywood production. Simple videos filmed on your phone can be incredibly effective. Think quick tip videos, like, could you share a 60-second piece of advice that helps your audience? Or how about a short behind the scenes peek at your business? Show people what you do and how you make your products, or introduce a team member. Just use simple video to bring your business to life. Your smartphone is all you need to start. Just be yourself, provide value, and let people see the real you. It makes your business so much more relatable. So what's one quick tip you could share this week? Seriously, think about it. It's a lot easier than you imagine. So we talked about words, pictures, and video, but what's the common thread that ties it all together that truly makes your website stand out? The problem many business owners face is trying to hide their uniqueness. They think they need to present a super polished corporate image, even if it's not really them. But here's the thing that changes everything. Your business should reflect who you are and who your team are. You are a unique individual. Your unique way of seeing things, your knowledge, your experiences, that's what makes your business special. Think about it. No one else has your exact story, your exact passion, or the exact way of helping people. This is your ultimate advantage. Share your unique message and show visitors how your special way of doing things can help them. And don't be afraid to let your personality shine through your website. That's what will make you memorable and prevent your site from looking like just another cookie cutter template. And I know it's a lot to put yourself out there, but that's where the real connection happens. So you remember that first question from the start about making your website unforgettable? It all boils down to being real and focusing on your content on your customer. If you want more straightforward tips like this to help grow your business online by getting more customers and increase your profits, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And here's a question for you. What's one thing you're going to change on your website after watching this video to make you stand out? If you only take one thing away from this video, I want it to be this. Stop blending in. Your unique content is the key to growth.